Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can transform your writing? Welcome to the realm of AI writing, where we delve into the intricacies of two powerful tools, Bard AI and Gemini AI. Today, we unravel how these tools can augment your writing, making the process effortless and efficient. First on our list is Bard AI, a tool that promises to make content creation a breeze. So, how does Bard AI work? Step 1 involves heading over to Bard AI's website and logging in. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to sign up. Once logged in, you're greeted with an intuitive interface, ready to assist you. In the second step, you select a model that best suits your writing needs. Bard AI offers a range of models to cater to diverse writing projects. From blog posts, marketing copy to creative pieces, there's a model for every occasion. The third step is where the magic happens. Input your writing prompt, and you can be as specific or as vague as you desire. Bard AI gives you the reins to customize settings such as tone and style, allowing you to shape the output to your liking. After Bard AI generates the content, the fourth step involves a thorough review. You can edit the content right on the platform, making it feel like you have a personal writing assistant that gets your style. Finally, if you're content with your creation, you can export it in various formats, such as plain text, Markdown, or HTML. And voila, your writing is ready to impress. Switching gears, we now move on to Gemini AI. This tool brings a unique blend of human and AI collaboration to the table. So, how can you leverage Gemini AI? Starting off, you sign up on the Gemini AI platform. It's a collaborative workspace where you and AI join forces to enhance your writing. Next, you create a new project. This is where you set your writing goals and lay the groundwork for the collaboration. The third step is where the real collaboration begins. Gemini AI is designed to work alongside you, refining your content in tandem with your inputs. It's like having a co-writer who understands your vision and enhances it. After the collaboration, it's time to review your content. Make any final tweaks and polish your piece until it shines. Finally, Gemini AI makes sharing your masterpiece a cinch. Export your content and share it with the world, regardless of whether it's destined for a blog, social media, or a professional project. In conclusion, Bard AI and Gemini AI offer unique and powerful ways to enhance your writing process. By combining human creativity with AI efficiency, these tools can transform your writing experience. So whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, immerse yourself in the world of AI writing and discover its potential.